Another important test you must do as an adult is the HIV test. Yes, that's the RVS test, checking yourself for virus that causes HIV infection. Yes, HIV infection is an infection that you can get through unprotected sex, through the blades that were used by an infected person, and maybe you use it to cut yourself as well, through syringe and needles and other means, a lot of means. No, it's not just through sex you get HIV, you get. So it's important you have yourself tested of HIV as an adult. The other test is the hepatitis B and hepatitis C test. Yes, hepatitis B and hepatitis C is an infection that affects the liver, and this infection can be gotten through unprotected sex. Most especially the hepatitis B infection, it can be found in saliva, can be found in vaginal fluid, in semen, and even in your blood, you get. So having yourself tested of all these conditions will help you as an adult. The other test is the HPV test, which checks for human papillomavirus infection, which is the genital wart. Mind you, in my last video I explained what is the genital wart. Genital wart is an infection that affects the penis, the vagina, even the mouth and other parts of the body. If you missed it, please go back to my last video too and have an in-depth knowledge of what genital wart is and how you can prevent it. And the other test is the trichomoniasis test, a test that checks for a condition called trichomoniasis. Trichomoniasis is a sexually transmitted disease that can affect different parts of your reproductive organs. And the last test I will be explaining for this video is the herpes simplex virus test. Herpes simplex virus test is a test for herpes infection, a test that helps you check for herpes infection. Herpes infection is an infection that causes a lot of rashes on your vagina, on your throat, on your body, on different parts of the body, and this condition can spread all over the body and affect you. It can even cause blindness, can affect your liver, can affect different parts of your body. So for you to prevent all the conditions I've just mentioned in this particular video, you can easily run to the hospital or any laboratory and run all these tests to ensure you are free from all these conditions and to prevent the complications attached to them. Mind you, most of these conditions might not show face until you check yourself through tests, and the conditions might come back when you are old. Okay. And you notice people saying, I have heart problem, I have kidney problem, I want to go for dialysis. Most of these conditions are what causes all these things, not just natural or not your alcohol to some extent. Some people, there are people that don't take alcohol but they have kidney problem. So if you're wondering what's the cause, most of this cause might be this. Do well to have yourself tested today. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.